Polyamid PA6-GF is a glass fibre reinforced nylon 6 filament which exhibits excellent thermal and mechanical properties without sacrificing the layer adhesion, which is a common problem with other fibre reinforced materials. Polymaker have achieved this by implementing their fibre adhesion technology, which actually improves the tensile strength along the Z-axis. Fibre adhesion technology works by optimizing the surface chemistry of the fibres to achieve a better dispersion and bonding within the polyamide matrix. This creates a rigid nylon with boosted heat resistance, which is perfect for printing gears, fixtures in engine bays, lab equipment or high velocity airflows. Printing Polyamid PA6-GF will require a hardened nozzle and an extruder with a temperature capable of reaching 280 degrees. However, thanks to warp-free technology, it can be printed on an open bed without the need of an enclosure.